Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto. It's a bit late in the day for the video, I must admit. Sorry about that, I'm just a bit busy today, that's all. Now, the price of Bitcoin. Well, I've been looking at Bitcoin for, well, about the last 4 years really. And in the past year or so, I've been using these moving averages that everyone is probably very bored with me talking about. These are exponential moving averages. If you want to know how to set these up, just look at the video that's linked at the end of this video. It's a free indicator on TradingView, just requires setting up in this particular way. So basically what they are is these red, cyan, yellow and green lines, okay? These are a 5, 9, 21 and 55 exponential moving averages. Now when the yellow crosses the green, it's normally a very bullish sign, and when they cross the other way, it's a very bearish sign. We had a bearish sign here on the 12-hour time frame on the 5th of February. And last Friday on a YouTube short, I mentioned the fact that they were getting really, really close and they were about to cross over, which was a very bullish sign. And I said, at that point, I think we're at a bottom. And indeed we were. And the price has come up amazingly well, like 14% then, which is a big deal for Bitcoin. Now that's on the 12-hour time frame. There's also the daily time frame as well. And this is even more powerful. Now they're not quite there yet, but they're not far off. If they cross over, I think we're going to see something very, very explosive to the upside. And just for the record, if we compare this with Ethereum, you can see that with Ethereum, we're pretty much at the stage we were at last Friday with Bitcoin. Today, on Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025. So if they cross over, I think we're going to see some bullish Ethereum as well. Ethereum on the daily time frame has a little way to go, but that 12-hour could be the clue to a really bullish Ethereum. Now naturally I've been trading this on various exchanges like I normally do. I've been doing it on ByBit. This one here is currently 180% in profit. That's $1,752. That's very nice. Over on BitGet, I've got two smaller trades. This one's $69 in profit, 12%, and I've already taken $81. This one here is $403 in profit, 87%, and I've already taken $149. And this one here is on this exchange called BitUnix that I really like. I only started using it on the 1st of January, but I love it. So here I'm currently just over $1,000 in profit, 125%. And I've taken $287 already. Now back in January I put out a link, and I think what it did, it got you something like a free $50 bonus or free $10 bonus. I can't remember what it was now, but it was free money, and consequently like 540 people signed up through that link, which is amazing. But what I'm stunned at is since January only one person has traded. So all these people here only traded in January. Now at midnight tonight I'm going to put out another video. I've made it in advance and it's with some really good news about BitUnix. So what I'd say is if you've got a BitUnix account already using my link, great. Wait for that video and then I'll show you how to get up to $400 for nothing. If you haven't got a BitUnix account, then use my link, savewithcrypto.org/BitUnix, or scan the QR code on the screen now. And if for some reason you've already got a BitUnix account and you didn't use my link, just make another account. You'll need a different email, but it doesn't matter because there's no KYC with this. You don't have to prove who you are, show a passport or anything like that. So watch out for that video that will come out at midnight tonight, UTC. I'll be asleep, so I'll see what happened in the morning. But really, you lot here, you need to get trading because I've been making a ton of money and I reckon you can too. There's some really good opportunities at the moment. Now, of course, none of this is financial advice and you must do your own research. And if you're considering trading and you don't have much experience, then you need to understand the risks involved. You can lose money, but you can also gain a lot of money. Now, my website is called savewithcrypto.org. Do take a look at it. Here are the exchanges that I use mostly. It's normally these four. Now, the one we're talking about today is BitUnix here, where you don't need KYC, that's know your customer. So you don't need to show them a passport or a driving license, and you can use that in any country except China, North Korea and Iran. And I will tell you about the sign-up bonus in the next video. It's really good. Blofin is another exchange that I use quite a bit, and that is available in most countries. Although some of them you need to use a VPN to get onto the site. BitGet is also in quite a lot of countries. Unfortunately, it's not particularly UK friendly at the moment, so if you're in the UK you might have to consider one of these options instead. But BitGet, I can get you up to a $30,000 sign-up bonus when you use this link here. And ByBit unfortunately restricted quite a lot of the countries that they can operate in. So at the moment that isn't the UK and not the US either. It is probably my favourite exchange though, so it's really worth using if you can. That one I can also get you a $30,000 sign-up bonus as well. So do use these links because they get you free money. Also, if you want to see about that EMA indicator that I was talking about, I've actually put a video here that explains what it's all about. So do go and check that out. It's on savewith.crypto.org. It's .org, not .com. Okay, right, I better get this video out now. And do look out for the one in the morning. You don't have to do anything at midnight. You don't have to stay awake till midnight. It's just that I want to get the video out when the offer starts. And it starts at midnight and it runs, I think, till May the 9th. So just watch it in your own time tomorrow. But when you do, can you remember to give it a big fat like and make sure you are subscribed and you've got the notifications set on all. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And above all, tell your friends.